Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. The product is geared chiefly towards institutional investors, and is expected to draw a large amount of capital to SOL. The token also makes up nearly a quarter of the weightage in a recently launched smart contracts fund by digital assets manager Grayscale. Large-scale trading by investment houses is credited with spurring a massive crypto rally in 2021, and as such, is usually a bullish indicator. Krafton, developer of the wildly popular PUBG video game, partnered with Solana Labs last week to develop blockchain games, drawing more attention to the token. Ethereum's planned shift to a POS model has also spurred interest in other projects in the space. After recent gains, SOL is the second largest player in this space. Solana price analysis. SOL value rises by 12%, following a Pensia announcement. Technical indicators elsewhere. In the top 10 cryptocurrencies, Ripple, XRP, is currently down by 7% to 80 cents, while Terra has also dropped by nearly 6% to $102. The rest of the coins in the upper echelons of the crypto market have variously recorded drops ranging from 4.4% to 0.5% over the last 24 hours. Solana's relative strength, Ethereum and Platinum are the only blockchains whose NFTs are trading on OpenSea. The biggest marketplace for Solana NFTs is Magic Eden. It remains to be seen whether its 2% transaction fee, which is 50 basis points lower than OpenSea's, will keep users on Magic Eden. Solana's inclusion into the OpenSea platform could help OpenSea regain its dominance of the NFT market, which was being eroded by a new entrant, LooksRare. Since its inception, LooksRare has registered over 55,000 new users and recorded over $21 billion in trading volume. In comparison, OpenSea recorded just over $12 billion in trading volume over the same period, despite registering more new users than LooksRare. Luke and Carl during the heat of the COVID-19 outbreak. Explained. They reached out about collaborating on some animated shorts for social media, so that they could get their stories out, and keep their creative juices flowing, and preserve their sanity. It was at this point that Toonstar began working on the concept for the NFT animated series. The script for the show is being written by Dave Illenfeld and David Wright, who previously worked on the popular animated hits Family Guy and The Simpsons. As for the NFTs, they are free to mint, and will go live on March 18 on the show's website. Each wallet is allowed to mint 3 NFTs. Each Gimmicks NFT will be a distinct character with unique characteristics and personalities. Gimmicks will come with commercial rights, so you can create your own narrative, and have it included in the Gimmicks wiki, and perhaps even in the show. Commenting on the upcoming series, Kunis said, "I see the tech and community that comes with NFTs and Web3, allowing for the audience to directly communicate with and inform creators of what they like and what they don't." Kunis told CoinDesk in a statement, "The Gimmicks allows us to experiment with what it looks like to create in and around a community, taking the tech seriously, but keeping the content fun. We've broken through a key resistance level, and will be poised for a powerful comeback. If prices continue to rise, the token will reach $111, but if no significant market support emerges, the token will be unable to move any further." Since Ukraine indicated that it was no longer interested in joining NATO, the Bitcoin market has turned positive. Due to expectations that the war between Russia and Ukraine may finish, the positive streak could continue. As a result, SOL has a good chance of recovering to one. Orchard Farm Productions, 6wall, has teamed up with Web3 animation studio Toonstar to launch a Solana-based NFT animated series. Dubbed The Gimmicks. The animated series is about a group of retired professional wrestlers who are trying to reclaim their glory days in the ring. Interestingly, the new series features a choose-your-own-adventure mode, which will allow NFT holders to vote on the storyline, plots and characters in each episode. Speaking to reporters, the CEO of Toonstar John Atanasio described the series as South Park meets WWE, but interactive and greasier. Notably, World Wrestling Entertainment, WWE, stars like Rocky Romero, Carl Machine Gun, and Luke Gallows voice some of the characters. According to Atanasio, the idea for the show came about after the WWE fired pro wrestlers in new lows. Such lows may entice traders looking to profit from such a significant drop. The next news: Solana guns for $100 barrier, will bulls win the SOL? The price of Solana is riding the same wave as cryptocurrencies, stocks, and other risky assets around the world. Investors are hopeful that the present war in Ukraine would come to a conclusion following a meeting between Russia and Ukraine in Belarus. Despite the positive news and outlook, bulls are finding it difficult to break through the important $100 barrier. Solana close to $100 earlier today. Solana hit a daily high of $96. The asset was one of the top gainers of the day at the time, with gains of up to 6.4%. The announcement of a world tour by the group behind the asset's creation has boosted the asset's price recently. Solana's price, more than most large cryptocurrencies, is dismal and sad, as it is quite close to a key price level, yet unable to attain it easily. Before Solana may enter a clear and established bull market, a substantial cluster of resistance must be broken. Continued resistance above $100 at $110, bottom of the Ichimoku cloud, Senkou span A, the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement at $112, and a 100% Fibonacci expansion at $116, are adding to the bull's displeasure. This indicates that even if buyers can get Solana to close at $100, upside potential may be limited, or perhaps reversed as a result of another set of substantial resistance levels. It's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026, depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SOL could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana price prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. SOL price prediction 2029. The flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Solana will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2029, SOL is expected to peak at $1,774.86. The minimum bet could rise to $1,443.62 if the market turns bullish. Solana price prediction 2030. It appears that by 2030, Solana, SOL, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2030, we can expect the average rate to be $2,137.86. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Solana's maximum price could be up to $2,572.46 in 2030. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.